Okay, I am doing a car wash here at the gas station Shits. And I will do a quick review. So far, so good, the gas station here in Shits in Chantilly. But we will find out after this. I will show you after this, okay? I am just doing the cheapest wash, the $9, because the other one, $15. I don't have that. So the $9 will have to do for now. So as you can see, the water is very high pressure. Oh my gosh, it is very good. So far, 5 out of 5. Okay, so I park in the sunshine so that you can see the quality of the car wash at the Shits in Loudoun County Parkway. As you can see, it is not bad for $9. Wow. However, there is still a little bit wet there, but you know, that is okay. Wow, I'm very impressed at this. Little bit of dirt left here, but that's okay. Yeah, highly recommend this. 2 out of 2. Yes and no. Yes.